Hello everyone, Satan here with Torrent Tutorials. Today I'll be covering the bootlegging crime. Let's start off by covering the menu. Clicking on the picture at the top will show you a breakdown of all your statistics regarding the crime. When you get to the bootlegging crime, you'll need a laptop or a personal computer as well as blank DVDs to get started. All of the items needed can be bought in the city under the Torrent City Superstore option. DVDs restock every 15 minutes, so if you don't see any, just wait. If you want a higher success rate, you can buy a high-speed drive. However, critical fails cause you to lose your high-speed drive. Then after you have a computer and blank DVDs, you'll need to go to the bootlegging menu. You'll see a button under the copy DVDs option. You'll basically want to open the DVDs by clicking this option. This allows you to begin copying DVDs. With the bootlegging crime, all options count towards the counterfeiting merit. So if you're after just the counterfeiting merit, it's best to only do the copy option. This will be the quickest way to get the counterfeit merits. If you're trying to get lots of skill levels in the bootlegging crime, what you'll want to do is copy DVDs across all genres. Then once you have a stockpile of a few hundred DVDs in all genres, use the sell counterfeit DVDs option. The last option is more for passive income. At first the button will say start website. First, to unlock it, you need to reach 50 skill in the bootlegging crime, have a personal computer, and finish the web design and development course in the education center. After that, you'll need to attempt to build your website. Each attempt costs 10 nerve, and having about 100k on you will help you speed up progress. Once you finish the website, it will passively sell your DVDs very slowly. The website is not efficient for merits or skill levels, however it is good for passive income because it sells your DVDs slowly over time. If you found my video helpful, please like, comment, subscribe, and share.